There is a lot going on in the weather around here for the next 7 days. We start out with a significant weather day tomorrow. We call it an alert day, and that's the highest alert that we can give you. This is a big deal. The enhanced risk of severe weather here, not your average everyday risk of severe storms. This is for very high winds that will rake across northwest Alabama first tomorrow morning after 8 a.m. and then come eastward through places like Cullman and Birmingham, Oneonta, Gadsden, and Anniston, through Shelby County and Chilton County around midday. Strong wind gusts, potentially going over in some cases 60 or 70 miles per hour. So here's the timeline. The colors here, I don't want you to pay so much attention to whether you're in the orange or you're in the yellow. So let's just remove that off the board completely. 8 a.m. to noon, West Alabama. That's when the main time of arrival for the most intense winds will be. The strongest winds come through Birmingham, Jefferson County, Shelby County, Cullman, Oneonta, Snead, Gadsden, Albertville, Boaz, up the mountain toward Rainsville, and then up into Scottsboro and Huntsville between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. And then east of there, I think it's probably ending around 2 or 3 o'clock in Anniston, Lineville, Ashland, and Alexander City. But we'll hang on to the risk of a few severe storms as far south as Auburn through about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And given some of the latest data that we have coming in here from Jefferson County and St. Clair, Calhoun, Walker, Fayette, and Lamar counties northward, especially along Highway 278, Hamilton, Double Springs, Cullman, Oneonta, Snead, up to Sand Mountain, the highest points on Sand, the highest points on Brindley Mountain, and then some of the hilly terrain in Winston and Marion in the north of there. We may go 70 miles per hour tomorrow. Get ready for power outages now. We had 110,000 people without power across the state earlier this week, and this looks infinitely stronger than that round of rough weather did. We've already got storms developing to the northwest underneath this big storm system that is becoming more and more impressive by the hour. So here's how we think it's going to play out based on the latest computer guidance. So I showed you where we think the highest wind is going to be. This is the timeline on it. So we initially get some gusts around 45 to 50 early in the morning. Those are not the ones that are going to do much damage, but each and every time these rain bands come through, look at that, we're gusting maybe as high as 60 in Birmingham by 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, it's not going to be that way for every single community, but in particular, the higher terrain is where things really start rocking. Look at that, 61 miles per hour in Haleyville at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. 50s around Jefferson County and Shelby County, Talladega County, Calhoun County already getting into that 45 range. There comes the line of thunderstorms on top of Birmingham right around lunchtime. Look at that, 60 to potentially 70 miles per hour around Cullman and Holly Pond, Cleveland, Bluntsville, headed toward Gadsden. Then it tracks onto the east, and it's finally winding down about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So overnight, it's not a problem. It's tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon when the roughest weather starts to come in. This weekend, things are cool and dry, highs in the 40s and 50s. But then look at this, as we go toward Monday of next week, a wintry mix develops and as temperatures plunge, there's a chance we could wind up with icy roads Monday night through Tuesday, and then it's just brutally cold through most of next week.